Hello Allah. Welcome back to HALA FOOTHIES.
Today we are here at AZAL Hind restaurant, which is located in Al Batha Street.
We are here to try out some exotic Indian food.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it.
Basim, let's
Yeah.
order some food.
Surely, man. ഒരു ഫിഷ് പൊള്ളിച്ചത്,
ഒരു ബീഫ് ഉലർത്തിയത്,
ഒരു ചിക്കൻ ബിരിയാണി,
ഒരു കോക്ടെയിൽ,
ഒരു ഫലൂദ. അത് മതി.
Let's see what we have got here.
We have got the fish pollichadu, also known as the grilled fish.
And moving on, we have beef ulartiyat, which is also known as grilled beef.
We have also got the chicken biryani, which looks very classy.
And talking about the juices, we here have faluda, which is beautiful and colorful, which is highly recommended by the customers.
We have also got the mixed juice. It has two flavors contained in it, one avocado and one mango. What are we waiting for? Let's start craving.
Basim! Basim!
As we are done, we are here with the... Let's talk about the grilled fish.
No, it's called fish pollichadu.
It was very unique and it is the best thing available in this restaurant. The grilled beef,
No, it's beef ularthiyadu.
it was very flavorsome. Let's talk about the chicken biryani. Although it was very classy, it tasted very common. Both the juices were very nice, especially the faluda. Thank you to AZAL Hind restaurant who invited us to try out their exotic Indian food.
If you want to visit AZAL Hind restaurant, location link in the description. We'll be back with more reviews of restaurants soon. Till then, bye foothies.
Na shari ka.